If you're looking for a reliable cell phone stand or iPad stand or even a laptop stand, this does a really great job and it's so sturdy and reliable. I was given this product to review for a video a few years back, and once again, this has done a really great job. It's solid, so this isn't going to bend or break. It has non-slip feet right here on the bottom, and then non-slip feet right here as well. So when you go ahead to put your cell phone in, it's not going to slide around. It's going to stay right there. It has holes here right on the back, so you can go ahead and thread any of your cords right through here. So if you were going to charge your iPad, just thread it right through here, and then it will charge right at the same time. So you can watch your TV shows or your movies and just have it right here and work at the same time. You can also tilt this so that it's all the way up if you really wanted to. But if you wanted to tilt it down at a different angle, so that way you can use your laptop, your cell phone, your iPad, you can go ahead and change the angle of it so that way you're comfortable. Once again, I've had this for years and it's done a really great job. I would definitely say check this out.